Hello everyone, I'm Salman Reyes from Era24 UK, and in today's video we are going to see a new control panel of a Bluehost and their services. As you can see in menu section, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, WooCommerce, and the last one is website and online stores. The same thing is other tabs, and you can check their all other services. They are providing all other kind of services, email and hire, pricings, domain, and so on. So I'm going to show you, after you purchase this hosting, how does it look like, the section inside of the account. So as you can see, they are offering hosting, emails, and so many other services, but you have to pay for that. And the basic package is £1.94. It will be around $2.50 something per month, the basic package, which is only for one website. The other terms and condition you can also see and follow their rules and terms and conditions. So after login, you are going to see the first page, and the first page will be look like this. So if you want to go for this offer, go ahead, claim offer. Otherwise you can just click that link. After clicking that link, you will come on this page, which is your account. And in your account, you see here site lock, jetpack, some other information. So if you want to secure your website, you need to buy their services. It's nothing free. And now they are saying, okay, for this offer you can just buy now, but I don't need to buy anything. I have already purchased. I'm just going to show you how it looks like. This is the website is installed. cPanel emails you can create as per your requirement by clicking this button. They have different options and different categories like autoresponders, forwarders, email filters, global email filters, and so on. So now we come to the section which is domain. I didn't purchase any domain, so you don't see anything, but if you want to purchase, you can search here and you can find, if you like it, you can buy it. So the other information of hosting, you can put in domain section. So now we go to the hosting, and in hosting you can see that we have got a hosting plan, which is basic hosting. And in basic hosting you can install only one website. Renewal center is here, marketplace is down there. So we back to home, and in home you will see the greetings, and you can start whatever you left off. So you can start about domains in that section, that link, and hosting on that link. And if you want to get transferred from somewhere to here, your domain, you can click there. So these kind of information you will find in the new hosting plan. After login, you will see like this. They have on the left hand side also menu section, but this one is very similar to the current one. We are on the current one. You will see website, emails, and hosting or domain. So there is no difference. In 2024 you will see your Bluehost channel or account after logging in, and their prices are, I showed you already, and this is up to you. What do you decide to buy or stay with them? In my next video, I'm going to create a review about Bluehosting or Bluehost and HostGator. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.